on, come on, come on, come on.
Swing your partner, I'm about to start the dance across the land of Kane and Scarter, people of our community. Cause we're soon to see the future of the world to be without unity. So brothers and sisters, let's check our history to reveal what's been hidden a mystery. Because we're headed for self-destruction, and you know that the government doesn't give a one black brother sells another one dope, and he can't cope, so he dies without hope. Many of us live on this level, misled victims who dance with the devil.
Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil.
Guns are being bought over the counter like candy, coming in handy for chumps to act manly. Once before they were only for the law, but no more for sure. Looking at a LA gun war. Even in Brooklyn, lives are being tooken. The Bronx is dying while the rocks are steady cooking. Capsule after capsule, setting up a trap to destroy a lifetime without a hassle. I couldn't kill my brother about a color of cocaine, not even over a rope chain. In this world, I'm considered a rap rebel, to correct those who dance with the devil.
Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil.
There's no survival. Bodies coming DOA, dead on arrival. Every time someone ships in artillery, begins the game, wondering who will the killer be. There's no war, so the Navy must wanna see drugs and guns shipped into our country, so we can shoot each other and sell each other death, and imprison all the other ones left. So it's time to start the rise. We can't be uncivilized. We gotta realize that being the baddest doesn't matter when your life is had. So let Michael Jackson be bad. No time to devastate. We gotta elevate to a higher level than dancing with the devil.
Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil.
This is a dance with the devil.
Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil. Dance with the devil.
Looking at the fall of our new generation makes me wonder about the Emancipation Proclamation. We're considered to be free, but did slavery devour? When we're still slaves for mental depth and power. Misled and unknowing, people are going more and more beneath instead of growing. Express yourself was said by NWA. So stop giving trouble a play, cause those who chose to oppose never rose, they all froze at 32 degrees to enemies that already tricked them and made them fall victim. Just look at them. What we need is peace and love and more love, but I don't see none of the above. So one for the bass and two for the treble.
Come on, y'all.
Don't
dance with the devil. 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 Dance with the devil.